Hello and welcome back to my channel again, and today I have a very special product that can make your Aprilia's plastic parts dirty like this shine like new. So as you use the bike, these plastic parts often get dirty because of dust and mud, especially in the rainy seasons. So it's very difficult to clean them because if you wipe them off with water, that would not be sufficient. It still doesn't retains its luster. So I have a very special product today that can actually help to make these parts shine like new. So I'm gonna use my magic product, but before I do it, I have to clean it with cotton cloth, and I'll show you the results live as I do it. So I'm just cleaning this part because I just want to show you a demo as in how my product works. So first of all, I just have to wipe it off and remove the dust particles from the plastic part, and I'm almost there. And now I'm gonna use this magical product. I'm just gonna spray it. So while you spray this on the plastic parts, make sure you cover your face and mouth. I'm just doing it for demonstration purpose. This is not a sales and marketing video. And that's it. Rub it off a little bit with a clean cloth. Make sure that you cover almost all the surfaces on the on your bike, all the surfaces that have these plastic parts, and you can actually see the difference over here right in front of you. It's a very good product, very cheap, very affordable. I don't say it's cheap, but yes, it is affordable, and it's a DIY, so you won't have to spend a lot of money. You can see this difference. This is how it looks like, and this is how it was earlier. So this is the old part, which is a bit dusty, and this, you can see the difference here. This is how it used to look like, and this is how it's looking right now. It shines very nicely. It was very dull earlier, but now it has a very wet and very black, dark, glossy finish. Even these indicators, as I clean it, they look very nice. This is the one on the other side, and this is the one that I have just used the formula. It looks great, and it's a very wonderful solution to a very common problem in for all the Aprilia owners. You can also use this over here. Just spray it. That's it. I just dropped off. Just clean it. You can actually see the plastic part more lustrous than the one where I haven't used it yet. So this part is dull and this part is glossy black. So it has now retained its original new luster. As I polish it by hand, you can see, you can spot the difference. This is how it used to look earlier, and this is the clean, super clean, beautiful, glossy black finish, just right from the factory. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you want to know about the product, the link is in the description. You may order it by yourself, and please do subscribe my channel for more useful videos like this one. And I will also share some tips and tricks as in how you can maintain your bike properly and keep it running smooth and looking beautiful as always. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.